Hey everyone, welcome back to Gadgetverse. Today we're diving into the Shark StainStriker Portable Carpet, Upholstery Area Rug Cleaner, a compact but powerful cleaning machine built to take on life's toughest messes. Whether it's carpet stains, pet accidents, or spills in your car, this cleaner is designed to make deep cleaning easier than ever. Let's start with what makes the StainStriker unique. Unlike traditional carpet cleaners, this one uses a dual stain and odor removal system, combining Shark's cleaning formula with targeted suction to not only lift visible stains but also eliminate lingering odors. That's especially helpful for pet owners or anyone dealing with high-traffic household messes. The unit comes with 4 cleaning tools, giving you flexibility depending on the job. You get a bonus XL tool for large surfaces like area rugs, a tight spot tool for corners and edges, a multi-purpose pet tool, and a detailer for car interiors. Together, these tools cover every cleaning scenario, from sofas to car seats to carpeted stairs. Another highlight is its portable design. At just the right size and weight, the StainStriker is easy to carry around the house, take up and down stairs, or even out to the car. Despite being compact, it delivers powerful suction that pulls out deep-set dirt, grime, and liquids for a true deep clean. The package also includes a full-size bottle of Shark's cleaning solution, so you can get started right out of the box. The cleaner is formulated to attack stains while neutralizing odors, leaving fabrics not just looking clean but smelling fresh too. Now let's pause here because this machine really speaks to anyone who's ever dealt with messy carpets, kids' spills, or pets tracking in dirt. Instead of renting bulky carpet cleaners or calling professionals, you can handle these jobs yourself in minutes with the Shark StainStriker. The design in Nordic Blue gives it a modern look, while the clear tanks let you see both clean and dirty water, so you always know when it's time for a refill. Easy assembly and simple maintenance make it practical for everyday use. Overall, the Shark StainStriker PX202BRN is more than just a spot cleaner, it's a portable deep cleaning system for your home, car, and furniture. With multiple tools, strong suction, and odor-fighting power, it's built to keep your spaces looking and feeling fresh. If you're ready to make cleaning faster and more effective, check it out through the Amazon link in the description. And don't forget to like this video and subscribe to Gadgetverse for more home and tech reviews.